To fix the errorcode DL on a Maytag appliance, it's essential to understand what this code indicates. The errorcode DL signifies a faulty door lock mechanism, which is the most common cause of this issue. To resolve this problem, start by inspecting the door and door lock. Begin by disconnecting the appliance from the power supply by unplugging it from the socket. Then, inspect the door to confirm that no materials are stuck, preventing it from closing properly. Next, check for any physical damages to the door or lock. If either is damaged, it must be replaced. After inspecting and addressing any issues, reconnect the appliance to the power supply by plugging it back into the socket and switching it on. Observe the appliance for some time to see if the errorcode is cleared. If the errorcode still appears and there are no damages to the door, it's possible that a technical error with the control board is causing the appliance to return false codes, in which case, it's recommended to contact a professional for further guidance.